Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting SME subtitles file to Excel. You can see on my computer I have a SME file. I can double click on it to open into SME viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of SME file, and you can see we have start time in milliseconds, end time, and subtitle text. And also in this viewer I can search. For example, only on phrases I can search, or also I can export into different format as well. I'll be using this file as example and convert it into Excel. I don't have Excel installed on this computer, and it's not required to have Excel installed. I have Excel Mobile. It's a free version of Excel that allows me to show what is inside of, to see what is inside of Excel file, but I cannot change anything. So I will download application from this website. To find application, click and search and type Smi To Excel, and then in this page, and I click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I will be recording more videos on how to convert the SME subtitles into different formats and create SME subtitles from different formats like CSV, Excel, VTT, SRT, and other formats, and also not only Excel but to Word documents as well. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, I got this error from Google Drive because Google Drive normally scan file it's releasing to a customer. And sometimes it's very busy and say, okay, I cannot scan it. But normally it scans first, and it also scans when files stored there. So it's always safe to, this is why I like basically Google Drive. There is a slight pause when I download file from Google Drive. But this pause because Google Drive is checking on all possible threads. So I can be sure that there is nothing bad in there. So I click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI in this archive, and click more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway. To start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, conversion 3 steps process. In step 1, we will select a SME file we would like to convert. So I click on this button, navigate to my document subtitles folder, select my SME file, click open. I can add more SME files if you'd like to have them to be in different Excel spreadsheets. But for testing purposes, I will just use one. Click on next step. There are no conversion options here. I will just click on next step, and on final step I click run to create Excel. It's now asking me for name and location of the file. So Smi To Excel file, this name is okay, just click save. And file has been saved. Yeah, let's go and see file. I can close this, and as I mentioned, I don't have Excel. I have Excel Mobile. Let's open it into Excel Mobile just to show what is inside our Excel file. Yeah, it's also very slow. I don't know why this Excel Mobile viewer. Let's try again. Sometimes it's open faster when, oh yeah, second time. So there is a start time, and text, and we basically have all our SME subtitles converted into Excel spreadsheet, and name of the spreadsheet will be name of the file. So if I add multiple file on first screen when I was converting, it will be different files here in one Excel. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. I will leave link to viewer as well. So, and if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.